This next concept I call speed manipulation. And as Louise was saying before, Romero, what's his full name? Yoel Romero. He uses this a lot. Goes really slow and then bang, it explodes. You want to do this as much as you can in jiu-jitsu. And the powers of this and the effectiveness of this can be proven when you're on a freeway. You know when you're on a freeway and you're stuck in bumper-to-bumper traffic for a long time, and then suddenly it opens up and you feel like you're going light speed, you're like, whoa, because you're used to going like 10 miles per hour and then suddenly you're going 110. The same thing you want to recreate when you're doing jiu-jitsu. A lot of the time, I move very slowly because what I'm doing is I'm lowering his perception to slower and slower, because eventually he's like, well, I don't need to be, super active. He's not moving very fast. I can slow down things. And it's a subconscious thing, but I'll move very slowly, playing around, and then suddenly, bam, and then suddenly I attack on something. And he won't see it coming because I slowed down his perception so much. You want to use this as much as you can. Some people make this mistake of where they come out at one pace, and it's a very quick pace, and they can't trick their opponents because they're just always quick. So the moment you start moving real quick, I'm like, okay, cool. I just need to raise my awareness to a very quick level. So I'm just very aware, he's gonna move really quick. But if you think that they're moving slow and they're not very fast, you start thinking, oh, I can be cool now here. Oh, fuck, motherfucker, he trapped me, he tricked me. You wanna trick them with that kind of speed. So slow things down as much as you can so that it allows you such different speed when you speed it right up. I don't know the bloody word I'm looking for right now, my mind is thing. But I want you to have so much distance between the speed that you're normally moving and when you're attacking. Otherwise, if you have it full the whole time, one, you're gonna be exhausted, and they're just gonna be aware of what you're doing. Fast people, when they come in, I know they're fast, it's like, okay, cool, I just need to move fast with them and just be aware. But if they're slow, then they go fast, it's much more effective. So be slow, then fast.